Hello and welcome to Handy Lab. Friend, in this video we will see how to make a double chain stitch. Double chain stitch you need two parallel lines. Then follow the instruction as given in the right side of the picture. But in the reality you see actually the video how to do these steps with the simple and the easiest way to create a double chain stitch. Practice makes you perfect in double chain stitch. Please like this video and subscribe Handylab channel. If you are watching this video on YouTube, then follow us on Facebook, or if you are watching this video on Facebook, then follow us on YouTube as well. The link is available in the video description.